Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the all-new 2021 Ford F-150 Raptor. This one is the Raptor 37 Performance Pack, which comes with a good amount of goodies, including this decal here, number 37, 37 down here, and the big difference, the blue interior package, which looks absolutely amazing. This thing is gorgeous. Raptor embossed up here. Speakers in the headrest. What are these, Bang & Olufsen? Yep, Bang & Olufsen sound system. $83,525 is the sticker price of this one. I don't know how much markup there is on this. I have a good feeling it's a good amount. Rhapsody Blue is the interior color over Agate Black. So the Raptor 37 Performance Pack, which I think is the 37-inch tires. I think that's what the 37 refers to. Wow. This is gorgeous. 18 speakers sound system. This is of course made it to the 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6. This thing is awesome. Raptor R is coming for next year with a V8. That thing is all but confirmed. Oh, just look at this thing. It is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Carbon fiber trim. All right. You have the infamous metal paddle shifters that are still absolutely massive. On the steering wheel, you have a bunch of buttons where you can change everything, your steering type, normal, comfort, sport, damper, sport, off-road, normal, exhaust, sport, Baja, quiet, normal. And we'll do sport. Baja is extremely loud, so I really don't like driving around in Baja. Well, no, I do. It's just it gets a bit annoying to everybody else, so. There we go. So that's what that front camera is for, because I can't see anything down there. There we go. This thing sounds so good. The thing with the Raptor is obviously it's an off-road based vehicle, but it is a riot on the road. I mean, I can't remember the last time I've had this much fun on a truck. Actually, I can, and it was the last time I drove a Raptor. It was the last time I had this much fun. Over these bumps, it's amazing how much smoother it is. I mean, you have to think about it. This is a off-road racing special. And boy, is it special. Let's do manual mode. I will send it. Oh yeah. Burbles and backfires and all the good stuff. What a machine. Gotta shut that window before I forget. Oh, I love this truck. After driving the previous gen, I'm like, there's no way it can be better. There's no way. Until I drove this gen. This, sorry, I didn't see you, sorry. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.